Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We've got people curious now. I don't even know if I have a leak in my pool, but I'm going to call Ian. How would I get a hold of you?
Yeah, so you can contact us at our main office number, 602-777-0771. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also go online to our website, www.pinpointleakaz.com, and you can fill out an online form.
Okay.
And we're going to ask you some general questions, which will give us a leg up in getting your work order processed. And somebody would contact you Monday, to be exact, setting things up.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner.